Hi everyone, I'm Noryawati Mulyono. Today we will discuss about carbon sequestration of seaweed. I want to discuss about this because this is important, not only for environmentalists, but also for all of us who still want to live in our planet. I have ever asked by some people about the carbon sequestration of seaweed. Is it permanent or temporary? Is it reversible or irreversible? If the process is temporary, it means that the carbon will be released as the same form, namely carbon dioxide. If the process is reversible, the product will decompose into carbon dioxide again. With that said, if the process either temporary or reversible, then seaweed has no contribution in sequestering carbon. Let us use this article as our reference. The use of seaweed aquaculture for carbon sequestration, a strategy for climate change mitigation. This article is written by Erlania and Inyoman Radiarta from Center for Aquaculture Research and Development, Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, Indonesia. It is stated that seaweed has the ability to use carbon from environment through photosynthesis to produce biomass. It means that after being absorbed, carbon is not released to the atmosphere, but it is used by seaweed to produce biomass. It means that the opinion of some people that the carbon sequestration capability of seaweed is temporary or reversible is wrong. The tested seaweed are Kappa ficus alvarezi, varian Tambalang, and varian Momere, Kappa ficus striatum, and Euchema denticulatum. So, the authors said that climate change is caused by the massive increase of greenhouse gases emission to the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases, such as CO2, is caused not only from natural activities such as breathing, but mainly it is caused from human activities, such as burning of fossil fuel and deforestation. The impact of climate change on marine environment is already apparent, such as sea level rise, ocean surface warming, surface water acidification, and shifting range of natural species. The concentration of CO2 in seawater is much higher than that in the atmosphere, 34 to 56 milliliter per liter of seawater versus 0.3 milliliter per liter of fresh air. It is because the ability of water to absorb CO2 is greater than that of air. Therefore, marine vegetation is considered as a potential agent to sequester CO2. Seaweed is a potential marine vegetation which can use solar energy for photosynthesis to convert CO2 into biomass, and it has been reported by some research teams that seaweeds have better capability on carbon sequestration than terrestrial plants. Other research teams proved that other genera of seaweed such as Gracilaria gigas, Laminaria, Eclonia, Sargassum, and Gelidium also have good carbon sequestration capability. So, development of seaweed aquaculture not only can increase national production, but also improve the economic level of coastal communities and the environmental condition.